Wake up. Wake up. Wake up early every day. Brush. Brush. Brush your teeth every day. Wash. Wash. Wash your hands and face. Eat. Eat. Eat a healthy breakfast. Read. Read. Read books regularly. Write. Write. Write in your notebook. Listen. Listen. Listen to your teacher carefully. Draw. Draw. Draw for fun and learning. Drink. Drink. Drink enough water. Play. Play. Play for some time daily. Walk. Walk. She walks to her school. Run. Run. Run in the morning. Jump. Jump. Jump on the ground. Fly. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Sleep. Sleep. Have a sound sleep.